hard, y'all. Many of us has been guilty of this as a child. They're in here looking so guilty. Y'all excuse the room. That's what we're getting. We're getting right there. Look at the guilty. Look at the guilty looks on their face. So let me tell you what this guilty look is about. I'm in here, helping them clean up. It's New Year's Eve. We're stepping into a new year. We're doing some deep cleaning. You guys know, some deep cleaning, trying to get into a good start for the new year. And I'm helping them with their room, and we're filtering things down. And superficially, everything looks pretty fine. And then we get to the bed, and I'm gonna put the cameras on them as I'm talking about this. We get to the bed, and I see there's some stuff, you can see it off, almost sticking out from under the bed. All right, so I get down and say, let me just get some of this stuff, and let's filter it out. Toys, put the toys in the toy bin, clothes in the dirty clothes. And then I start pulling things out. Y'all remember how those clowns, when they pulling something out of their sleeve, and it just keeps coming out, and it just keeps coming out, keep coming out? That was happening under their bed. And so I was like, wait a minute, let me look under there, because as you can see, it's a small lip. So how that much stuff end up under there in the first place, I can't tell you, because the lip is this big, unless one of them was Hercules and lifted the bed while the other one pushed stuff in. So I said, this is not coincidental. It was packed like a can of sardines under their bed. And so I'm pulling everything out. Everything out. And I said, okay, who did this? Not me. Not me. I got two not me's in here. That both of their names are not me's. Who did this? Not me. Not me. Not me. And then I said, no, for real, just tell the truth. And then I had to tell them. I've been guilty of doing that when I was young, and SueAnn, she attested as well. And then that's when they finally confessed. But they both was like, yeah, we did do that. We did it. And I was like, okay, just be honest. So everything was fine. And then Gabby busts on Lily. Gives like, yeah. I said, it's okay, no worries. We just not supposed to do that. Yeah. But it was Lily's idea. It was Gabby, how can you do that? Why'd you bust on Lily like that? And Lily sitting next to you. She's so nice. But yeah. So look at this. So I thought we was finishing up. Turns out we just getting started. Yeah. No, so we gotta do it right. Look at this. It looked like somebody was living under your bed. I'm about to go back and look under there. Make sure there's nobody's apartment under there. So we gotta get this done right. All right. So just wanted to share that with you guys. We're about to go through. I guess the word we'll use is rummage. We gotta rummage through this. It looked like the room was ramsacked. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all in a little bit. All right, you guys. So y'all saw the room. You saw the room before. And the girls, trust me.
Daddy helped them. Joshua helped.
I did, but I put them to work. I made them feel it. And I told them, just have a system. Take out some toys. Put it back. Switch them out. Don't take out everything. Because now at the end of the day, you have to clean everything back. And so Sue and I, we were here. So they were blessed over the Christmas because lately they've been into Hello Kitty. If you probably saw the post for Lily's birthday, it was a Hello Kitty party. And Gabby is into it as well. And so we got them stuff for Hello Kitty items for Christmas. But it turns out their family did too. And so they got a couple of really cool things, some LED lights. We're going to show it to you now. Here's the finished results. Y'all saw the room before.
They're still waiting.
They're outside waiting. We're going to let them in a second. We're going to let y'all in. Watch them come in. But we're going to show you the end result. So here we go. They got their Hello Kitty bedspread. Okay. They have, this is from Lily's party. So we kept the decor. We knew we were going to use it in their room at some point. We got more, but we just didn't want to overdo it. All right. And then they got this LED Hello Kitty night light. Their auntie got them lettered their initials. And so yeah, oh yeah, of course we did LED lights. We did it during the holiday season, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. And we had to put these doors back on track. If y'all know about if y'all know that pain.
They didn't even tell us.
So we about to let them in. Let them see it for the first time. Should we turn the lights out and close the curtains or leave it open?
Yeah.
Close it? What did you say? Close it or leave
Yeah,
it?
close it.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't peek. And don't open until we tell you. Walk in. Don't trip.
All right, stop right there. Oh, mommy tell you.
1, 2, open. Gosh.
It was a front flip. That's pretty good.
Please don't. Please don't.
Okay, all right. Make room, because somebody's coming. So what do you girls think?
You think you're ready to mess it up?
No.
Are you gonna keep it clean
Yes.
Because we're going to come in here
and doing inspections? And every time the room is like a complete mess, we're taking something down
No. No.
until it's your letters, until it's
Okay, Gabby.
okay. The bed is nice and clean. The room is nice and clean. Do you like it? Okay, you like the letters and everything?
Can I have peanut?
You ready to eat?
Ready to eat now?
Yeah.
Who's eating? Drinking my Gatorade.
No, that was one of Josh's. And Jada,
This is a peanut.
want to show you something.
It's numbers.
Why? He said why.
Let Jada go in.
Don't take her. Oh.
You like it?
Reaction.
Okay. So you gotta let us know what your theme for your room is gonna be. Okay. I know you had some stuff on your Christmas list. It just said room decorations. We didn't want to just choose. So unless you want Hello Kitty also. Okay. Happy New Year, family. I pray that you guys have a wonderful new year. May be filled with the blessing and the presence of God. Just keep him first. He promises that if you acknowledge him in all your ways, he will direct your paths. All right. And that means he's there. And so let your new year be filled with the presence of God and the wisdom of God. The Bible says wisdom is the principal thing. The Bible says Jesus himself grew in wisdom, stature, and favor. And so if you got the wisdom of God, the Bible says the wisdom of God is more precious than rubies. And so sometimes we'll have a whole list of things we're believing for, we want to achieve, and then we're aspiring towards, right? That whole list can be summed up just by asking and seeking God for his wisdom. So pray for wisdom in this year. I promise you, everything else will fall into place if you have the wisdom and know how to appropriate
What is it
the
upstairs?
different things that you're coming across. It's one thing to have knowledge, it's another thing to know how to apply it. Once you know how to apply it, things change. So if that's any advice I have for anybody for 2025, seek God for his wisdom, apply it, acknowledge him, keep him first, and when things happen in your favor, give him the praise. All right, love y'all. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. 2025 coming alive. Get ready to thrive in 2025. All right. God bless y'all. Peace out. Blessings.
Am I still the one you see when you close your eyes? Am I still the one you need when it's late at night? Am I still the one you want when you want somebody? When you want somebody?